Am I the only one that didn't know Benidorm is this exciting? Or I will show you how to get the best Benidorm experience of your life. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue, your local guide with a twist. I've got pink hair, a red three-wheeled scooter, and a big love for this vibrant city. Join me as we zip through the bustling streets, soak up the sun, and experience Benidorm from a fresh street-level view. From the lively tapas alley to the stunning Levante beach, we'll uncover hidden gems and local favourites. Plus, I'll show you the accessible side of Benidorm, making sure everyone can enjoy this amazing place. Whether it's festivals, food, or just a friendly chat with the locals, you'll see it all right here. So buckle up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss an adventure with Benidorm Scooter Sue. Let's explore Benidorm together, one scooter ride at a time. Catch you on the next ride.
Hi guys, yet another sunny day here in Benidorm. Welcome to the channel. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue. If you've never watched me before, I do videos from the comfort of my mobility scooter. Yes guys, I do it the lazy way. So it's a nice, warm, sunny day, a bit breezy, a bit dusty, a bit of sand blowing about, but very pleasant. We've got the, I don't know what you call them, pedalos maybe?
Yep, pedalos.
Pedalos out. As you can see, lots of people enjoying the sun. There's a few people on the beach. It's probably getting on for lunchtime now, so you're probably coming up into your bars, into your cafes. As I said, it is really, really breezy as well. You see, we've got Five Guys coming there. Not open yet. will you try it when it is open? It's going to be quite a size place. The little SOS hut. Moon Beach there. Urban Beach. Looks like the acrobats are out. Hope I didn't just photo bomb them.
About 6 minutes gone.
Feels like you've been filming for ages, but McDonald's? Burger King, my bad. Lucky man. They seem to be out in force today. Maybe we should get some hats or sunglasses, knock them in and then do our other things with it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please smash that like, hit the share, hit subscribe. Be surprised how many people don't actually subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you on the next one.